Welcome back, non-consensual towing. That's what we do. Somebody's car is fixing to get yanked. We're heading downtown right now. They property down here, they called some cars in. They're having a construction project going on, and they're not getting any compliance out of the residents, so they're gonna have to tow. We're getting our marching orders right here. They're gonna tell us what they're gonna tow. Tell us what section's got to be cleared. Is there? Oh, this whole section. Well, somebody will start moving here in a minute. Somebody will start moving them. Just this side here, though. Or for now, just for now.
It's half of the complex. Put the pickup truck on there?
Yeah, I guess. I'll back up and grab the Mini Cooper. Anyway, let's see what happens. Let's get it loaded. Hook this Honda right here. It's probably got an automatic e-brake on it, electric e-brake on it. Let me get out and check it. Yeah, we got electric e-brake on that. We're gonna have to flatbed that one. This Corolla's got ignition release on it. We can roll that one back, unlock it. Hey Greg, I got two wheel lifters. We're going to lock them out and roll them back. Hey, that one's a wheel lifter there. And so is that Mazda 3. I can roll it straight back and wheel lift it. Otherwise, we ain't gonna have no wheel lifters unless you want to drag. I ain't trying to drag anything if I can help it.
They told me no jumping.
How you doing, man?
What they towing the cars?
Well, hopefully everybody gets a move, man. But the first couple, hey, I tell you what's gonna happen, man. We're gonna get a couple of cars. And move them, and the rest of them will be gone when we get back, I'm sure.
Well, I'm gonna move my car.
Yeah, just move it. Hey, just keep contact with them, man. Which one's yours?
The truck. I'm gonna say the truck.
Oh, I got you. Appreciate it. Have a good one, man. Yep.
So that ain't front wheel drive?
Huh? That ain't front wheel drive? It's front wheel.
Okay.
Let's pull them out. I'll show you. I'm gonna show you right here. Run over right here. Back up to the post. Hey, I'll get yours too. I'll roll yours back. That way it's easier. The truck's a little bit tight on it. This thing's even got a window down. Huh? Can you bring it out? Hey, I got you. Hey, these wheel lift bars here are a lot better. They're a lot better than the ones on that truck right there. Have you used those? The new ones?
Yeah.
They're terrible. They got a pin that goes in there. They absolutely the slowest thing you could possibly load with. The new style on that truck, terrible, man. Terrible, bro. Busted a camera. The lens got cracked on it. We're gonna have to raise this one up, man. It's not near high enough. See the thing, that's y'all's, ain't it?
Yeah.
We're not gonna tow y'all's. I mean, if the coordinate with your striping guy.
Those 2 cars over there is the office too.
Oh, okay. I'll tell him it's going to be a little minute before we get back. Another driver's not going to tow till somebody points it out. Okay. As long as that guy, the stripe guy, knows not to tow all y'all stuff up here, it shouldn't get touched.
Okay.
Just make sure that stripe guy knows that this is the office personnel. We don't want to tow y'all.
Stripe guy over there.
Yeah, one of those guys. Yeah. Hey, you know what? He's got cones. Everything on the other side of the cones is getting towed. It's not out here, so you should be fine.
Okay.
Like I said, hopefully the residents will get with it, and y'all won't have to tow very many. But
how much do they have to pay?
it's $175. I can pull up right here and wait on Greg. We'll roll back together. That way I know we made it out of there. That's a pretty nice property. We're in Midtown. There's stick-ups and shootings all spread out all over the place. I don't know that this property here has had a problem. It seemed pretty nice, which is the reason they're redoing the paving. These property management groups, man, they keep these properties up. They keep them landscaped. They keep them looking nice, and they don't let them go downhill. Because Atlanta property, man, it's property values are going up, rent's going up, and they're not going to let it. They're going to not let it go downhill. Somebody showed up to get their car out. This white one here. I got to finish my paperwork, turn it in.
First day of school and she missed it.
Literally came back home from work at 8:30. I work from 6 in the morning to 8:30. I came back at 8:30, went to go let my dogs out and come back, my car's not there.
Wow. Wow. Hey, they're doing a paving project. I guess you know they're paving
Yeah.
they're repaving. Sorry you got towed.
It's okay.
María Juanita, David.
Yeah.
¿Sí sabes?
Yeah.
¿Dónde tú eres?
Colombia?
Everybody speaks Spanish, really.
Everybody.
Everybody. That's cool.
¿Qué paying cash?
Card.
Does it have a chip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, the section you're in now, they're doing today, tomorrow you can park there.
Okay.
So you don't, that way you won't happen twice.
Okay, cool. Yeah, the thing
But
is,
there's-
they
we
sent
got
me
more.
emails, but I got my phone stolen, so you know how it locks you out of your email too?
Oh, man.
So I wasn't able
You're having all
I
kind of
didn't-
rough.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Oh,
I was
man.
like, what?
You're having all kind of rough luck.
Yeah, it's okay.
Pues le echa la culpa al novio.
Well, you got a good attitude, you know. You got a good
it's just
attitude about it.
material stuff. It can all be fixed, so.
You can. She kept a really good attitude about it, and sometimes that's the only way you can do. You let it ruin your day. She wasn't going to let it ruin her day. Came and got her car, and she's heading to school. Her first day of school. I hate she missed school, but when they send out notices, man, you got to comply with your property managers, or you're subject to get towed. That's how it works. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next one. Hey, we're rolling back in on another property, and they got a strange one here. It's a new Corvette, or newer. I don't know how new. We'll find out how new, but they got a Corvette back here they want towed. This is probably not going to be an easy car to get. That's it right there. Brand new one.